Hello, welcome back guys to Sportaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to lock application on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the list. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do here, of course, you just have to open the settings applications. And after in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the apps options. Tap on it. And after here at this apps page, we'll see the app lock options. Tap on it and click on it to lock your application, yeah guys. And after, you just have to choose an app lock method. Here I'm gonna use the pin. And now you just have to make it first and tap on the next one. To confirmation, you have to re-enter your pin that you have made. Now tap on confirmation. And at this page, you can choose the application that you wanna lock. For example, here I'm gonna lock my Facebook and my Canva, guys. And after, you just have to go back. It will stop automatically. For example, here I'm gonna open my Facebook first, and we have to enter the passcode that we made before. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.